in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to upgrade Opay account to tier 3. So basically I'm using tier 3 account, and it actually takes some time before I can be able to do that successful. So you can see I'm running a tier 3 account. So the requirement they will ask from you, you have to add your BVN, you have to add a selfie of yourself, you need to upload NEPA bill, right, your address where you live. So they're gonna ask you. So if all this information are not complete, you will not be able to upgrade to this tier 3. So if I click upgrade to merchant, so I didn't know what they are gonna be requesting for. So for merchant, upgrade to merchant, so I'm not sure if I even need that, how much is my body. So right, so to upgrade to tier 3, so you just have to provide BVN, sign in, a selfie of yourself, very clear NEPA bill, and I guess a verified home address that they can actually trace. So these are all the things they need. So it's gonna take 24 hours for them to verify, and if all the information is accurate, you will be able to upgrade to tier 3 without any issue. And you can see right here, daily transaction limit up to 5 million naira, and then the maximum account balance is actually unlimited. This is actually amazing, because some few days now I have been enjoying the upgrade, and it's really amazing. So I can also tell you that maybe you should try something like that. It really makes sense if you are a business owner or you run different transactions. So it's gonna help you. Yeah.